Hey everybody, this is Sullivan Plastics Blue Forge furnace. I wanted to give you a shot of underneath here. It's a gasification furnace, and this is what it looks like when it's running good. It's a downdraft, forced downdraft. That's that. Take you up here. Open the door slowly. Show you inside. It's pretty crazy. These logs were all covered in ice this morning. And see what I'm burning here. Close it up before I burn the place down. You can see things really rocking now. It's crazy. And this is the building we're heating with it. It's, I don't know, 100 and I think it's 60 by 130, something like that. There she is.